lên đất ta về tâm ma sẽ lên tăng ô trái lũ sụp ô dù năm ngoài anh đang nghe xin bác sẽ một đêm in tan hiền mô ô cả tình dù lâu thì cả hãy biết nè nô lông chê long
Hello Mizo people, Mizoram, welcome back again. This is your African boy Gabs, Gabi. Peace out, hope everyone is doing well. And we are back again to another new music reaction. So today we have Taitea, guys. So yeah, I am also a big fan of Taitea and RSA, guys. I had a lot of music reaction to them, guys. And I see also most of my viewers also from Mizoram, like they love these two amazing singers, guys. So in case you're not part of the family, make sure to subscribe because we do reaction and vlogs to know these people, guys. So today let's go with Kumtluang atan. What does it mean, guys? By the way, I'm going to sing because the lyric is provided here. It's not in English, but the lyric is in the local language, so it's okay. I can read the local language, but you people have to explain to me the meaning of the song or what is the song briefly singing or talking about, guys. Love you all. Let's go. Kumtluang atan. Start. Let's sing, guys.
Chút tin lên đăng càng ngái bị lô lim tên lại khung cần ra đường tỏa lên đất tăng tê tâm mà sẽ lên đăng ô trái lướt sụp ô dù năm ngoài anh đang nghe xin mà sẽ bồi tên ta hiền mô ô cả tình dầu lô đi cả hãy biết nè mình nô
Let's go. Woo.
Ô cả lim nát tur vai xin in cả thir phô thi
Nang cho lu chút
tình dầu vẫn hông lô ô mình lại mấy rô tiếng cho đi ô mình lại mấy rô Kumtluang atan Kumtluang atan
Kumtluang atan. Kumtluang atan. I love the energy of this guy when he sing. Oh my God, he put the energy, the sound.
Chút tin lên đăng ngái bị lô lim tên lại khung cần ra đường tỏa lên đất ta về tâm ma sẽ lên đăng ô trái lướt sụp ô dù năm ngoài anh đang nghe xin bác sẽ một đêm in tan hiền mô ô cả tình dù lô thì cả hãy biết nè nô lông chê
Long chê Wow, that was amazing. At least I tried, guys. How was it, guys? You know, now, okay. just I don't want to conclude it, but I just found out, guys, it is easy for me to sing Taitea song compared to RSA song. Oh my god, for me RSA is just like Michael Jackson when he sing, man. His lyric is like his song is meaningful. RSA his song is nice, amazing. The beat, the energy. Like I know that how good is he, but it is very hard for me to catch his lyric. Like he is so fast in singing, and the way he sings, like it's just totally different compared to Taitea. Like I've just found out that Taitea when he sing, like oh my god, the flow is just so cool and so amazing. But for RSA, you can't predict the next flow. Like oh my god, that is like for me. I just see RSA like Michael Jackson. Anyway, guys, both of them are so great, and I just love two of them. I like their song. I really wish if their song would have like English subtitle, guys. This would have been so amazing because I know these guys like mostly they inspire people and they have amazing love song and they have a big fan. So obviously whatever they are singing is so beautiful, amazing. So that is it. Love from Africa, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, this channel for all the Nordic people, and love from Africa. Till next time. Atin asin.